Hello and welcome to Scalemodeling. And boy am I excited. Can you believe it? A Lamborghini Countach. Unbelievable. So here it is. We're going to have an unboxing of this on the channel. Look at that. 25th anniversary. So subscribe, hit that notifications bell, hang around for a bit because soon we'll be uploading the unboxing of this video and we're going to build this. This will be my first car build on this model channel and ever in my life. What more could I want? Look at that. So I'll see you all for the unboxing. Okay, cheers all, bye.